Hi guys, I'm Sarah and I've just been talked into doing a product review for this. Wahl, I don't know if that's how you pronounce it. Home Products Quick Cut 22-piece haircut kit. Now I have done a review before on a couple of different Living & Co hair cutting kits from the warehouse. I'm having to go at snail's pace and I'm actually having to help some of the hair through, so actually it's just not. I got this one, which was basically the next model ups. Yeah, I mean this is working, you just have to go nice and slow with it. This was also from the warehouse. I'll probably put a price up there somewhere because I can't remember what we paid for it. We actually got it for my husband for Father's Day because the Living & Co ones, the one that we finally settled on, it's actually been really good. Of course it saved us a lot of money on haircuts, but it's just the last few times we've gone to use it, I don't know if the blades need sharpening or what, but we're just going over the same spot over and over and over and it's just taking forever. So we thought, no, it's time for an upgrade. I did read quite a few reviews before I bought this, and it does seem to be a pretty good brand. Comes with a 2-year warranty, so that's alright. Just made a mess of opening the box, so I hope I don't have to take it back. Alright. Of course we've got the main cutty device, and scissors. Combs, clippies, for holding your hair out of your eyes. Now, instructions, whatever. Who do they think I am? I need no instructions. And of course, all the different lengths of hair cutting type gear. We got the tapered edges for doing around the right and the left ear. What have we got here? Got a number 4, number 5, number 1. I think that's what Clint's going to be getting. I'm guessing you're actually meant to put the oil on this before the first use. Where's those instructions that I threw away? Do not use while bathing or in the shower. You need to oil it up after every few uses. Hey love, you're going to get a haircut.
Right, mate.
There we go, just clicked the number 1 thing on. It feels powerful.
Alright, it certainly sounds better than the other one.
Yeah.
Right, doesn't feel pulley or hurty so far.
Doesn't it? Oh my.
That's way better.
That is a world of difference compared to the old Living & Co one. Wow.
Well, so far no pain.
Look at that is like a knife through butter. That is so much easier. Yeah, what do you reckon?
There you go. I don't think that's suitable for work.
Ah, dumb. Pretty good. I'm not having to pick up nearly the amount of strays that I was before.
That looks a lot better. I don't think the Living & Co one ever cut that clean.
No. How's that?
Good. Happiness filled. Done.
Boom.
Your turn, son. Go for it.
Did you want a haircut?
And next.
What kind of number do you want? I think last time I did you a 3 on top. What did I do, a 5 on top?
You did 5. I'll go for a 4.
Oh, you want it a bit shorter this time? Very good. And what about the sides? Like a 3 on the sides again, or a number 2 on the sides?
Number 2.
2 on the sides,
Do
4 on
one
top.
straight through the middle.
What do you reckon?
Ding. Well,
Ding! Final review. Awesome. Well, the Living & Co one, hey, it was fine. It did the trick. It served us well for, I'll have to look up and see when I recorded that last review. But I think it's seen us good for at least a couple of years. It's done many a haircut on both Clint and Aston. That's a game changer. That's a whole nother level. That is definitely worth spending a bit more money on. So here we go. Hit like. Leave me a comment down below. Definitely saves you money. I mean, it's at least, what is it, like $15 at least now for a clipper cut? I'm not sure, depending on where you go. But yeah, we'll catch you next week. Bye.